Welcome to this demo video on how to apply for an individual PAN-based KYC process through the eMudra portal. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of completing the individual eKYC enrollment quickly and smoothly. So, let's get started. To start, open your web browser and visit our official website www.emudradigital.com. On the home page, navigate to the Buy Certificate option. You will be required to select the relevant details for your digital signature certificate. Since this demonstration covers an PAN-based individual enrollment, select the class type as Class 3 and the user type as individual. You may select certificate type as signature, encryption, or both, where both includes signature as well as encryption certificate. Following this, select the certificate validity, which can be 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, as per your requirement. Next, enter the contact number you wish to use for the digital signature certificate application and click on Verify. Please note that the mobile number entered at this stage will be associated with the KYC account that is created as part of the enrollment process. Once you click on Verify, an OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number. Enter the received OTP and click on Login to proceed further. You will now be directed to the page where you are required to enter the billing details. Please enter your email ID and billing address in the respective fields. If you wish to have the USB token delivered to the same billing address, select the option Same Address. Alternatively, if the delivery address is different, click on Enter Address and provide the required delivery details. Before proceeding further, kindly review and re-verify the product summary displayed on the screen. If you do not already have the latest USB token, ensure that the token option is selected. In case you already possess a valid USB token, you may uncheck this option. Next, select the appropriate USB token type based on your operating system, either Windows or Mac. Once all details have been reviewed and confirmed, click on Proceed to Pay to continue with the payment process. Select your preferred payment method and complete the transaction. Once the payment is successfully processed, you will be automatically redirected to the enrollment page to continue with the next steps. Here, you will be able to view your DSC order number, purchase reference number, and the details of the selected product. Next, enter your PAN number and your name exactly as it appears in the PAN records. Select your gender, enter your date of birth as mentioned on your PAN card, and provide your address as per your address proof. Additionally, enter a valid email ID, which is required for the application process. Once all the details have been entered, click on Next. As per the latest guidelines for the issuance of digital signature certificates, the applicant's name must be verified using bank details. To proceed, enter your bank's IFSC code and account number, and then click on Verify. As part of the bank verification process, a random amount ranging between 1 rupee and 1 paisa and 1 rupee and 99 paise will be credited to your bank account. Once the amount is credited, please enter the exact amount, including the decimal value, in the verification field and click on Verify. Upon successful verification, you will receive a confirmation message stating, Amount verified successfully. If the name entered does not match the bank records, you may be required to update your name with your bank before proceeding further. If the name matches successfully, you will be redirected to Document Upload page. You will now be required to upload the necessary documents. Begin by uploading your photograph in JPG format, followed by a copy of your PAN card in PDF or JPG format. Next, select the type of address proof being provided and upload the corresponding document in PDF or JPG format. Submit. Upon successful submission, an application ID will be generated, and you may proceed to complete the credentials setup step. Create a unique username without using any special characters and set a 6-character user PIN. Once completed, click on Get OTP. An OTP will be sent to the registered email ID. Enter the received OTP to proceed further. Please note that if you wish to change the email ID, you may remove the prefilled email address at this stage and enter a new one as required. Enter the received OTP and click on Submit. You will then be redirected to the video verification page. Please ensure that the video verification is completed within 45 seconds. Click on Continue and then select Start Recording to begin the video verification process. Follow the instructions displayed on the screen carefully. As part of the verification, you may be prompted to state a declaration. For example, I am Pooja, applied for DSC with eMudra. 988 is the code for this video. Please ensure that your original PAN card and original address proof are clearly displayed during the video verification process. Once the recording is completed, click on Stop Recording. You may preview the recorded video to confirm that both the audio and video have been captured clearly. If the recording is satisfactory, click on Submit to proceed. After the video is submitted, the application will be validated by eMudra within 30 minutes. Once the validation is completed, you will be required to proceed with signing the e-sign agreement to continue further. Upon successful validation and approval by eMudra, you will receive a track and expedite link on your registered email address to complete the e-sign subscriber agreement. Open the email and click on Login and e-sign subscriber agreement. On the login page, select the option to log in as an existing user. Enter your e-sign username, user PIN, and registered mobile number, and then click on Get OTP. A 4-digit OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the received OTP and click on Validate. You will now be redirected to the enrollment status page. Scroll down to locate the option to verify e-sign. Select the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on Agree and e-sign. After clicking Agree and e-sign, you will be directed to the application form page. Please carefully review and verify all the displayed details. Next, proceed to set your download password, also referred to as the challenge code. You may create a challenge code of your choice with a minimum of 6 characters. Once completed, select the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions and click on Generate an e-sign. With this step completed, your application process is now 100% complete and your digital signature certificate is ready for download. For a detailed, step-by-step guide on downloading your DSC on Windows or Mac OS, please visit our official eMudra YouTube channel. You will find comprehensive walkthrough videos designed to assist you through the entire download process with ease. Thank you for watching.